Hello everyone. Now we have reached to Article 31, but it was repealed by the Constitution by the 44th Amendment Act 1978. But it was about the compulsory acquisition of property, and I have notes about it, so I can read to you that the Article 31 has been repealed by the Constitution, Section 6. But before 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978, 31 provided for compulsory acquisition of property, stating that first, no person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. Second, no property shall be compulsorily acquired or requisitioned save for a public purpose and save by authority of a law which provides for acquisition of the property for an amount which shall be fixed by such law. And no such law shall be called in question in any court on the ground that the amount so fixed is not adequate. About eminent domain, the public rights always overlap with private rights to property, and in case of public utility, public rights take precedence. The term eminent domain stipulates that the property of subjects is under the eminent domain of the state, so that the state or he who acts for it may use and even alienate or destroy such property, not only in case of extreme necessity, in which even private persons have a right over the property of others, but for ends of public utility, to which ends those who find civil society must be supposed to have intended that private ends should give way, but it is to be added that when this is done, the state is bound to make good the loss to those who lose their property. In the state of Bihar versus Kameshwar Singh, year 1952, the Supreme Court defined the eminent domain as the power of a sovereign to take property for public use without owner's consent upon making just compensation. The 44th Amendment Act of 1978 deleted the right to property from the list of fundamental rights, and new Article 300A, was added to the Constitution, which imposes limitations on the power of eminent domain. That is, if the legislature makes a law depriving a person of his property, there would be an obligation on the part of the state to pay compensation, and there exists public purposes for acquisition of such land or property. This was all about Article 31, which was repealed in 44th Constitutional Amendment Act